This the more group less than bedroom greater than a division of the Litchfield Company property video is presented by Janelle Mitchell. Solid and spacious home in established subdivision, Dove Point. Nice corner lot with plenty of space for family gatherings. A few updates and repairs will make this a dream home for the discerning buyer. A little TLC is all needed. Strictly as is. Seller will not be making any repairs. Suggest cash buyer or conventional financing. For more information, review the details below or contact Janelle Mitchell at 803-535-6252.